I would like to welcome everyone. Now we are going to attend international conference with respectable Dr. Salim Shehzad and their colleagues. Dr. Abdul Qayyum, now chairperson for this conference, and start the presentation of Karachi University student. Dr. Salim Shehzad and Dr. Mubin Lodi is also present here. Now you will attend Abdul Muttalib presentation from Karachi University.
Vegetable crops. It is grown worldwide for its dry seed and edible fruits. Common bean, like most member of this family, common beans is a nitrogen fixing crop. It acquires nitrogen through an association with nitrogen fixing bacteria. It is a major and cheaper source of protein and is high amount of protein called fasulin. And it has also has a medicinal values like oxidative stress, cardiovascular disease, diabetes, cancer, etc. Loss of global agricultural productivity is between 20 to 40% caused by harmful organisms, in which soil-borne fungi, soil-borne organisms are one of the most destructive pathogens. Among the soil-borne pathogens like Macrophylla, Faeculina, Rhizotonia, Fusarium, Pythium are one of the most destructive pathogens which cause many diseases in hundreds of plant species. Rhizotonia solana is a soil-borne pathogen that attacks a wide range of plant species, including beans, that cause seed decay, hypocotyl rot, root rot, and decline. Root rot disease has been reported on common beans caused by many fungi like Aphanomyces, Fusarium, Rhizotonia, Thylaviopsis, Pythium. Some soil-borne fungi, once introduced into the soil, they may persist for many years. In these conditions, applying chemical treatments may be an effective method. But many chemical fungicides are frequently used to control plant diseases. However, their detrimental effect on environment and wildlife also arises because of resistance in pathogen and plant toxicity. The adverse effect of chemical control has drawn at attention the use of biological control agents. Biological control agents is a reduction in inoculum density in its active or inactive states. Uh, some soil microorganisms inhibit the growth of other microorganisms that are called antagonists, where tendencies are shifting toward many various biological control methods and strategies which are being used in plant disease management, minimizing the chemical synthesized pesticides. In 13 classes, 113 genera, more than 300 fungi has to be proven potential antagonist, in which the trichoderma is the most potential biological control agent that has been used against several plant pathogens. Many more fungi after trichoderma has proven to be significant biological control antagonists, in which Glochidium, Verticillium, Aspergillus, Bacillomyces, Penicillium, Talaromyces are included. The aim of the present study is to compare the effect of some fungicides and biological control agents on the growth of Rhizotonia solanae, the causal agent of root rot disease in common beans. Rhizotonia solanae was isolated through bean plants showing necrotic symptoms in root and hypocotyl, collected from beans field in a district Matayari during growing season 2020. Small pieces of infected parts were surfaced as 1% sodium hypochlorite, rinsed with water and placed into PSA medium. The pathogen was identified on the basis of morphological characters on PSA medium. Rhizotonia solanae were tested for pathogenicity test by radical assay in petri dish, in which 2% water agar was prepared and a disc of pathogen was inserted in the middle of petri plate, and 2 seeds of beans were placed around the mycelial disc. And 3 replicates were maintained for this treatment. As a control, 1 plate was prepared with bean seeds without fungal disc. This development was assessed according to the scale 0 to 5, in which 0 was healthy and 5 was dead plant. And the disease severity percentage was calculated through this formula by Townsend and Hubner formula. Antagonistic activity of biological control agent was assessed through dual culture technique, in which Trichoderma asianum Trichoderma longibrachytum, Gluclatium virens, Gluclatium roseaceum, Bacillomyces lilicinus, and Bacillomyces mariotti was assessed in well culture technique in PSA medium. A disc of a pathogen was placed opposite side of the pathogen in PSA medium, away from 1 centimeter from edge of the Petri plate. 3 replicates were prepared and in control. The pathogen was placed in the Petri plate 1 centimeter away from the edge without biological control agent, and the inhibition percentage was assessed through growth suppression formula. Fungicides were evaluated through food poison technique, in which fungicides Elite, Entacol, Nativo, Ready Super, Score, Zaver was used with concentration in 1 ppm, 10 ppm, 100,000 and 10,000 ppm. Stock solution of these concentrations was prepared and incorporated into the medium and poured into Petri plates. A mycelial disc of pathogen was placed in the center of the Petri plate, and growth was recorded after every 24 hours. 3 replicates were maintained with a controlled treatment without any fungicide. The inhibition percentage was calculated by growth suppression formula. In pathogenicity, 13% disease severity was calculated at third day, 46% at 6th day, and 86.6% disease severity was calculated at 10 day. And disease were highly virulent. And the strain of pathogen Rhizotonia solanae was highly virulent.